Hello, y'all. This is the fire alarm used in the collab with Williams Sports Channel, or at Williams Sports Channel. Let me show you how it works. So this fire alarm is just your everyday, ordinary push in, pull down alarm. You can use a key. Mine's already unlocked. So this is a spring-loaded mechanism, as you can see here. And then there's this thing, which is used to control this switch. So this is on, this is off. I'm guessing whenever you pull it, it comes down. So that switch connects here. And that will come out the back and connect to an alarm, which is right there. But these on and off circuits, or the loop in and loop out circuits, will connect to D1, D2, D3, and D4, which will power R1, which will power this LED. Like and subscribe for more content like this.